I call it kind of co-building and co-creation because they have an equal part in embellishing it and making it comfortable for themselves. So really it's a whole different kind of a process. The world today actually needs something like this, which will be zero carbon, and my motto, I don't know whether you know, is zero carbon, zero waste, zero donor, which I think leads to zero poverty. So this is what I'm trying to do, and I hope that I manage to get to as many people as possible. I should get the skills of building into hands of everybody in my country, and the poor particularly, who can build so that they will not be displaced. So this has been something that I've been wanting to do, and now I find that with this disaster, I'm getting a chance to be able to spread that message. Because suddenly, because of this disaster, so much has to be done. And there are so many people who are learning to build in that way, who belong to that area.
वो चूल्हा ज़मीन पे था तो बहुत गंदगी थी, छोटा बच्चा था वो भी जलता था, बहुत गरमाश कुत्ता आता था तो बर्तन भी चाटता था, तो भी जरासन बीमारी होती थी, सैलाब से भी बहुत परेशानी होती थी।